Hi everyone, so today we'll be making one of my favorites. We will be making glazed sweet onion Hawaiian bread sliders. You can make this with any type of deli meats, but for today I'm making it with hams. Now let's start by frying 6 pieces of bacon. Once the bacon is cooked, save about 1 tablespoon of the bacon grease. We will be using this to fry the onion. Add the bacon grease to our frying pan on medium heat. Now add 1 cup of diced onion. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to enhance the flavor. Now fry the onion until it's golden brown. Now let's prepare the sliders. You will need 12 Hawaiian sweet rolls. Break them into individual rolls and also cut them in half. You will need 12 slices of Swiss cheese, 1 per roll. Break the cheese in half. You'll be sandwiching the meat between the cheese. Take the Hawaiian roll and add the cheese. Fold the cheese so that it fits in the Hawaiian roll. Next, we'll be adding the hams. You will need 2 slices of hams per roll. As mentioned before, you can use other type of deli meats as well. Cut each slice of bacon into 4. You will need 2 pieces of the bacon per roll. Add the bacons on top of the hams. The next layer that you will add is the fried onion. Save about 1/3 of the fried onion for later. Now add the top cheese layer to it. Now add the top piece of the Hawaiian roll for the final layer. Now we'll be doing the sauce. Add 1 stick of butter to our frying pan. Cook on medium heat. This sauce will take a total of about 5 to 8 minutes to make. Now add 2 garlic cloves. Add 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Add 1½ tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Give it a good stir to thoroughly mix the sauce, and now we'll be adding 2 teaspoons of poppy seeds. Give the sauce a good mix. If the sauce doesn't seem thick enough, just remove from heat and let it sit for a few minutes. That will help it thicken. Now pour the sauce on top of the sliders. Try to coat as evenly as possible on all the sliders. Now sprinkle the leftover fried onion on top of the sliders. Cover the sliders with tin foil and bake at 350 Fahrenheit. Bake for 15 minutes covered and bake an additional 10 minutes uncovered. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Give it a thumbs up, like and share. Leave a comment down below of what you think about this recipe. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipe. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again soon.